to verify Indeed Flex account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to verify your Indeed Flex account. So first of all, just go to your preferred browser, and after that just simply search for indeedflex.com, and you will be landed to the official website of Indeed Flex. And over here just simply log into your account using your credentials, and now you can filter your job and now you can filter your requirement through your Indeed Flex account. So if you are a job seeker, just simply click on the job seeker section, or if you are an employer, just simply click on employer, and you will be landed to the pages accordingly. And after that, in order to verify your account as a job seeker or employee, all you have to do is just simply go to the website and look for the job that you would want to apply for, and after that just apply for that particular job, and you will be taken through a screen to book an interview, and you will need to provide and fill in your details, and after that the number of date and time for the interview will be shown for you. You will receive an email confirming your interview with the link of the video call on that day, and just download the app via App Store or your Google Play Store just to create your profile. And after that just fill in all the details and complete your profile, adding your skills and experience and other details. And after that just go to the home screen of the app and as prompted, and upload your right to work document. And if you are a UK citizen, there will be a photo of your passport, and if you are a non-UK citizen, there will be a share code which you can get through Credas. And after that just complete your 30-minute interview video call with one of your recruiter, whether they can verify you or not. All being well, you will be then fully verified on the app and you can start booking shifts. So this is basically how you will be able to verify as an employee in the Indeed Flex account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.